Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Windows computer that keeps freezing randomly. And sometimes it also crashes. Then this tutorial is for you. We will be doing only 3 simple steps to fix this problem. Please make sure you watch the whole video and perform the steps sequence-wise, so that we can fix it. Let's start. Press Windows+E on your keyboard to open Explorer window, then once this is open, select your C drive or whatever the drive where you have your operating system installed. Then right-click and go to Properties. So once you click Properties, we need to go to this Tools tab. Here we need to go to Tools and then, we need to go to this Error Checking. Just click Check. This option will check the hard drive for file system errors. It may take a few minutes to finish scanning, so please be patient. My drive C was scanned Windows successfully and no errors were found, so in your case, check if you have errors in your computer. Next step, click on the search icon and type CMD. And please select only Run as Administrator. Once you open CMD, type sfc/scan. Now, the system scan will start scanning. And it might take 5 or maybe 10 minutes to scan the whole computer. However, the best part is, if there are any errors or glitches, this will be fixed with this command. Wait for the scan to complete, and please be patient. Once this is done, then we will move to the final step, which is a very common step, but most of us forgot it, so right-click on the window icon and click Settings. Then click Windows Update on the left menu. Here, you need to update any update that is available to install. In my case, I have 2 updates available. Simply click Install All, or you can install the updates one by one, by clicking the Install. Now please make sure that you are up to date, and that you have got all the latest updates on your computer, because in 80 to 90 cases, we don't update the Windows, and we get so many problems with the computer. Once it finishes installing the updates, be sure to restart your computer. Now, let's check if our Windows is up to date. Again, right-click the window icon, and select Settings. And go to Windows Updates on the left menu. Done. Our Windows are already up to date. Once this is done, see the performance, and check if everything is working fine. You can also do one more thing. Now, here is another step that is very useful. Go to search bar and type Virus and Threat Protection, then click Open. Here, click Quick Scan. If you have any viruses or any kind of malwares which is creating a problem in your PC, that will be also fixed. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.